Hey, Edgar's from FunnelTopia here. A quick update on related to payment links. So, in case you didn't know, payment links is basically you can just create a quick way to charge someone. Let's say you're on a call or whatever, a sales call. You don't need like a sales page. All you need to do is you can create a new payment link and you could just kind of quickly send it to a person and they can quickly pay. Right. So it's just, think Stripe and other payment processors, they do this as well. So this is a feature that's been around, but the new ability I wanted to mention quickly is that you can delete the payment links that you don't need anymore. So up until now, if you had difficulties with that, if you had payment links that you couldn't delete, now you can, just go to payments, payment links over here, delete, and click on it, delete, and that is it. So simple as that, right? So yeah, just wanted to bring it up just so you know that it's a thing now. But yeah, if you have any questions about this, probably maybe not about this. This is straightforward, but anything FunnelTopia related, click on over here, 24/7 chat support, and reach out to us, and we'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.